Firestick showing home is currently unavailable and not loading the home screen or apps. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix it. This error usually happens because of internet connection issues, account sync problems, pending updates, VPN conflicts, or a temporary system glitch. Follow each step in order, and you should be able to fix it at home. First, we will do a soft restart using the remote. Take your Firestick remote and press the play/pause button and the select button in the center at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until the Firestick powers off. Once it turns off, release the buttons and wait for it to reboot. After it turns back on, check if the home screen loads properly. This step helps fix small, temporary software glitches that can cause this error. Next, we will power cycle the Firestick properly. Unplug the Firestick from the wall outlet. Do not just remove it from the TV USB port, remove it completely from the main power source. Leave it unplugged for about 5 to 10 minutes. After that, plug it back into the wall outlet and turn it on. This helps clear temporary cache and refresh the system. Now check your internet connection status. Go to Settings and then open Network. Make sure it shows connected. Also check the signal strength. It should say Good or Excellent. If it is not connected, reconnect your Wi-Fi. If the signal strength is weak, move your router closer to the Firestick or adjust the Firestick's position to improve the signal. After that, restart your router or modem. Turn the router off completely and unplug it from power. Leave it off for 5 to 10 minutes. Then plug it back in and turn it on. Wait until the internet connection is fully restored. Once your internet is back, test your Firestick again to see if the home screen loads. Now we will forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi. Go to Settings, then Network. Select your Wi-Fi network. Press the menu button on the remote, which is the button with 3 lines, and choose Forget. After that, reconnect to the same Wi-Fi by entering your password again. This refreshes the network connection. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. Disable the VPN completely and then restart your Firestick. Once it turns back on, check if the home screen loads normally. A VPN can sometimes block Amazon services and cause this issue. Next, check for a system update. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV, then About, and select Check for Updates. If there is an update available, install it. After the update finishes, restart your device. A pending update can sometimes cause the home screen not to load properly. Now, deregister and re-register your Amazon account. Go to Settings, then Account and Profile Settings. Select Amazon account and choose Deregister. Confirm the removal of the account. After that, sign in again by following the on-screen instructions or using the QR method shown on your screen. This helps fix account sync or service errors. If nothing has worked so far, you can do a hard reset using the remote buttons. Press and hold the back button and the right navigation button together for about 20 seconds. Follow the reset confirmation screen that appears. The device will reset completely. After the reset, set it up again like a new device. Connect to Wi-Fi and sign in to your Amazon account. Only use this step if all other steps fail. That's it for this video on how to fix the Home is Currently Unavailable error on your Firestick. I hope these step-by-step solutions help you get your Firestick back to the normal home screen and working properly again. If this guide helped you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful tech fixes. If you have any questions, or if one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.